This is the first of two different bags of pay dirt I got from Jimbo's Gold. And the reason I'm starting off showing both bags, I'm just going to do the Arizona today, is that I've purchased pay dirt of different types from different companies before, and every time, no matter what they said the sources were, they looked the same. This is different. The Idaho pay dirt is finer and lighter. The one from Arizona has a completely different color and granularity to it. And this is nice. This makes it more like real panning. So I'm looking forward to seeing what the differences between these two are. Something else I wanted to point out is that when I placed my order, I got very good service from Jimbo's. I had some questions. The emails got answered right away. And another nice thing is most companies, they'll sell their pay dirt, and for each type they have a fixed shipping fee. The same appears to be the same with Jimbo's, but he puts them in flat rate boxes, so that I actually got a $4 rebate by buying two of these together because the shipping costs were less. Most companies just pocket that difference. He actually gave it back to me. And that says a lot about the way he runs his company, so I really appreciated that. So on to the review. This is a 1-pound bag of Arizona Dredge cons. This is not supposed to have any added gold to it. It appears to be very clean, something that might go through an actual dredge. It was $25.99 in April of 2016, and that included shipping. But, like I said, because I purchased two bags and he put them in one box, he sent me a $4 rebate. So I'm counting this as actually $23.99, including shipping. I have to say, and I don't know why, I really like the packaging. The bag is extra thick. It just feels good. It's not logical, but this is probably the best package feeling of gold pay dirt I've gotten so far. This is nice. The bag was supposed to contain a pound of Arizona Gold Dredge concentrates. It actually contained 1 pound, 2.9, almost 3 ounces. So if you're dealing with a material that's not gold added, the more you get, the better it is. It appears to be very clean material. And one of the things I wanted to mention again about the bags is that unlike a lot of the plastic bags I've gotten, the corners don't crimp up. They don't hide the gold. They don't hang on to the gold. When I was emptying this, it cleaned out very quickly, so I didn't have to worry about any gold being stuck up in those corners. That's nice. The classification was interesting in that the largest portion of the 1 pound of pay dirt was in the number 20 mesh. Usually it's down here in the number 50. There's also quite a bit of magnetite in this material, so magnetic separation might be a good strategy. It doesn't look like it, but there's very little of the small or the very fine material. What happened is when I was using the magnetic separator, it squashed it down. If these were piled up like this would be very small. So this was a good classification. Very, very little fine dust during the sieving process. Nothing went into the air, and that's always a pleasure. Here's what I found from the visual searching through the number 8 through number 30 meshes, and all I can say is wow. I found 2 big pickers in the number 8, 2 respectable pieces in the number 12, over 2 dozen nice chunky pieces in the plus 20s, and even more in the plus 30s. Altogether, this is 0.735 grams. At $39 a gram, this here is more than what I paid for the gold, for the pay dirt by itself, and I haven't even gotten to the Miller table yet. So to say that I am impressed with this company would be an understatement. Also, the material is so clean and so neat. This is fun. This was great work. So I like this. Let's get to the Miller table, see what else we can find. And here's what I got using the Miller table. Another 10 number 20s, about 2 dozen number 30s, well over 100 number 50s, and even more 70s. I didn't get many plus 100s or even minus 100s, but you have to remember that after I removed the magnetite and washed away the clay, there was less than a teaspoon of material left from each of these. So this is a pretty good catch. Now, this looks like a lot of colors, but as you know, when you get down to the 70s, it takes a lot of these to add up to any weight. So let's haul out the scale and see what we got. Well, it certainly looks like a lot of gold. Let's see how much we've got. .951 grams. That's an awful lot of gold from a bag of dirt that only costs $24. Besides the fact that I got a lot of gold, this material is just great to process. It's clean. There's not a lot of organic stuff in it. Lots of gold, all different sizes of gold, all different meshes. It's just great material to work with, and I would buy this stuff again. Let's see how the numbers look.